So I can say that to you.
I don't think so. Bad idea.
Numero uno. Oh my gosh.
Reírse. La última Coca-Cola en el desertio. Drinking Coca-Cola in the desert is the ultimate.
This literally translates to think you're the last Coke in the desert.
Like the best one.
Yeah,
Why
exactly.
would anybody say that?
So basically that means like you think you're hot stuff. Like you think you're like the one.
Dame pan y dime tonto. Give me bread or give me death.
Bread is referring to like money in this case, or like something of value. Let's say you work at some job and you're trying to like work your way up. You're like, oh my gosh, like I hate my job, but you know, give me bread and call me stupid. Like hey, like it's a trade-off.
Tener mala leche.
Bad milk.
Pretty much like bad luck.
Bad luck.
Yeah.
To have bad milk.
Corto de luces.
Let's see, light. That's of light something. What's corto?
Short of lights, which essentially means like someone's dumb. Like they're not the brightest.
All their dogs aren't on the same leash.
Yeah, similar.
They're not the sharpest pencil
in the box.
Yeah,
Or
exactly.
they're a slice short of a loaf.
So I can say that to you.
I don't think so. Bad idea. Cerrar la casa por la ventana. To throw?
Throw the house
Out the
out the window?
Yeah. That's
Throw the
exactly
house
right.
out the window.
It's like you're spending a lot of money.
Comiendo moscas.
Yeah, so eating flies. Cállate. Estás comiendo moscas. Yeah, like be quiet, you're eating flies. So what do you think that means?
Oh, it means your
like
mouth's
yours,
open.
mouth open.
Like shut your mouth.
When someone like is speaking and they're just not stopping and it comes to
Comiendo
a point.
moscas.
Estar como una cabra.
Like a chupacabra.
Yeah, to be like a goat. What do you think that means?
Get made fun of, or he's acting the fool, or he's.
Like he's crazy.
Oh.
They're crazy.
Cray cray.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
That's I.
Hi.
Is it like pay attention?
Be careful, or like kind of like watch out.
Ser pan comido. To be the eat pan. What?
It's easy.
It's like a piece of cake. That's what it means. Man, this is a piece of cake. Like es pan comido.
Es pan comido.
Gracias.
I was gonna say muchos.
Gracias. Gracias.
Gracias
Por ver video.
Sí.
Okay.
Hey, if you like the video, please like and subscribe.